Do you feel bored and have an excess amount of paper? I have the solution for you. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane with 10 easy steps. All the items you will need is a white piece of printer paper, a ruler, a flat surface, and tape is optional, but its only use is to make the paper airplane less prone to unfolding. All right, first, First, we will fold the piece of paper hot dog style like this. Get my camera to adjust. Fold. Now, this will just set as a guideline. So now the second step is to fold each corner to the middle like that. Now, for the third step, we will fold the tip of the paper down to the bottom with about 1.5 centimeters at the end of the paper. So right here, I'll use my ruler. I already made the pre-fold, like so. So your paper airplane should now look like this on the third step. Okay, for the fourth step, we flip the paper over and fold the top down of the paper about 0.75 centimeters across the width of the paper. So on this side, we flip it over right here and fold this down about 0.75. So like right here. Try to make it as even as possible. For the fifth step, we flip the paper to the front now and repeat step 2, but now with the folded side on top. So you see my piece of paper with this triangle. We'll fold each side right here to the middle. Your paper airplane should now look like this, with both of the flips right here. Right. Like that. So you should have a little corner, like a piece, right here. If you can see that behind. So now for the sixth step, we're gonna fold the cockpit, which is like the tip from the first step or the second step, and fold that down to crease these two folds, crease the triangle over these two folds. So now that we completed that, it should look like this. It's hard to see. Okay. For step 7, we now fold the paper in half on the side that doesn't have the cockpit folded down. So on the side that has no folds on them, this side has no folds on them, we are going to fold that side over with no folds, exposing the folds you just made on the outside. So you should now have almost like a little triangle like this. The folds down and the triangle in the middle. For step 8, we now fold the wings down, and I like to put about 2 inches, about an inch and a half of space from where we fold down the wings to the body. So I'll fold it down right here. And we repeat this step on the other side. So now your airplane should be looking like this. Now, the ninth step is to check your folds because this is very important. You want your airplane to run perfectly and to glide through the air. So I'm just gonna check all my folds that they're tight and very clean. Yeah, it looks good here. Now for the 10th step, we will now fold each tip of the wing towards the body to add better stability. So like here. How much you do is up to you. I like to make it where it does not pass my body. So you'll see maybe like this, like that. So then when you put out your wings, you have a little tip right there. Like right here too, on both sides. Yep. Okay. This 11th step is optional. So this is where you get that tape, and what I do, I just tape it down the middle. This makes it more aerodynamic, so air doesn't get between your body, and it just makes it less prone to unfold. And this is how you make a paper airplane. So now you know how to make the perfect paper airplane with just 10 easy steps. Make sure to throw these airplanes around and show your friends too.